Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. So let's see what they have. Okay, so what I'm noticing right away is these scarves. Okay, so these scarves are new to the Dollar Tree by my home. Aren't they beautiful? Then these are the ones with the sugar skulls, and these two. And then they have this kind. And then here's another infinity scarf. Isn't that pretty, that pattern? Then over here we have some socks.
I think there's small ones. There's not big ones.
These are the bats. And these. And look what I'm noticing here. Okay, these are mirror clings. And I don't think I've ever seen this before. So I think it's only that one. But this is definitely new to this Dollar Tree. Okay, we have some shreds over here. So this is the first time I'm seeing this box. I gotta go over there and see what else they have. So these are foam shapes and they look like spiders. And then these are skull shapes, glitter. I think these are new to our Dollar Tree. Now these eyeballs I've seen, but I'm not sure where. And then they have these notepad in the pumpkin. And then look, they have the pumpkin trays. Okay, so these were here last year and they just came back. So they're still putting stuff out. Okay, on this side is Christmas. I don't know, I love Christmas stuff. Okay, so look at this one, the candy cane, the believe and the snowflake. And I love these ornaments. They're monogram ornaments. I think they're so cute. Okay, so may as well look over here real quick. So these, I'm noticing, well, they took the ones with the pom-poms. So here's the gift, and here's the Merry Christmas and the star, the glitter ones. And then you have the bulbs, and you have these chenille stems. Okay, let's go see what's on the other side, guys. We have the costumes, and all the costumes are complete pretty much, because they have the butterfly and they have the tulle skirt and they have the headband, and I think those are awesome. So I don't think I saw this one. This is the mermaid tail. And look, the hair we've seen. Now this tulle skirt I haven't seen, this one. And then here are the boas. They're so thin. Okay, and those are some more headbands. Let's go see what else they have. As you know, they have the heart line, 2 for $1, the Hallmark cards. So here we have all the Halloween cards. And you really can't beat that price. In the party area, where they have all of this silver and serving stuff, I'm noticing this color blue. I love this color blue. Oh, see, they didn't used to have that before, so that's new. I don't know, some Dollar Trees have the Halloween boxes, but these are more decorative. This one says happy birthday. That's a nice print for a male. See, and this says happy birthday with the little shakers on top. So we don't have any of the Halloween boxes. Okay, so that's what we have. And the beads in multicolor. We have, oh, look at these. Aren't they cute? These are the Batman mask. Okay, so you have Batman, Captain America. Then you have the Flash and Iron Man. That's pretty neat. And then right next to that you have the Rock. Okay, those are nice. Look at this Paw Patrol Nickelodeon Paw minifigure. So you have these guys. Look at this one. And this one. This one. And this is Justice League. Let's see. And then you have Batman, and then here you have your Disney. characters. Oh, look, I didn't even notice these were squishies. Okay, let's see. So we have this one, this guy here. Let's see, we have this guy here. Then we have the poop emoji. I always find them to be funny. And let's see what else they have. Oh, they have some cupcakes. Aren't they adorable? So they have the cupcakes. And then we have this little guy. Okay, so that's it as far as the squishies. I had to stop and look at these. Oh, look, what does this say? Desktop ping pong. So we kind of got out of the Halloween and we're just randomly walking through the store. And I'm loving their puzzles. Some of them are Disney, some of them are Marvel, like this one. And look at this. That's cute. See Spider-Man. They have some nice ones. These make nice stocking stuffers. Here's Minnie. Then they have some more over here. Look at that one. Disney. Okay. Make It blocks. I don't know if that's new. Make It blocks. Then they have, here's the Make It blocks sludge slime. Okay. Make It block zombie. Okay, so that's new, I guess, to this store. And look, they have the foam dice. This is new. This kind is new. And here's a squishy toy. And here's the regular dice foam in different packaging. Then we have some stuffed animals along the bottom there. The toys look like they're getting better. Okay, and so then they have some of these animals. Okay, so we always know they have that. I like this warrior. And here's some more animals here. Here's some bath toys. And these, they have them lined up so neatly. Isn't that cute? So that's the dinosaur, the T-Rex head. And this kind. What's the brown one? That one. These are really cute. And then they have these ninja. Okay. Oh, look, they have a hat, the pirate's hat. Okay, and look, they even have a whole row of handcuffs over here. That's really neat. All right, what are these? That's really cute. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. And then we have some of those spiral art games and the ring toss. The ring toss looks like fun. And here are the paper straws. And they brought some of these party things over to the toy side. Video. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.